I do because I don't love you anymore. Wish I could sleep my life away and never have to think of you, and never miss the light of day. From the darkness of my room, I light another cigarette and drop the ashes on the floor.
I'm going to put the net. It's rather early, but these birds are just going to eat up all my cherries. So, bye.